What's up, guys? It is currently 3 in the morning, and we are about to travel to Mexico.
Can you feel it? Can you feel it? You have always worn your flaws upon your sleeve, and I have always buried them deep beneath the ground. Dig them out. Let's finish what we started. Dig them out, so nothing's left undone.
This is called sprinting down the airport.
What the hell? What is currently going on?
It's sorry.
The BBLT.
Yeah, I might come back later and get a sandwich.
You don't have later. We're on the plane in 20 minutes.
What?
Yeah. Well,
Is that Alex and Annie?
No, on the Hamsa.
Yeah, those are really cute.
Hang on, that's my dog one.
There you go.
Yeah, it's cute.
although we're boarding in like
I didn't even know where it is now.
half an hour, I think. But as well as really nice MTN card holder. So I'm gonna go back and cop.
Beautiful ones,
And
yeah.
we stopped at Booster Juice right now, getting Booster Juice before our flight. I'm dead tired. It's 5 in the morning. Oh, look at this kid. So the shoes we're wearing today, he's wearing some Gym Red 12s today. And I'm wearing some NMDR2s, just beat these up. And outfits, he's wearing Adidas pants, just a walk-in hoodie, and I'm wearing just some American Eagle pajama pants. I have my Babe shorts in my bag for when it gets too hot. And then I have one of my new Champion hoodies and my chain, and then just a pink shirt underneath. Alright, so we got on the plane, and the kids behind us, right, will not stop kicking our seat. Kick our seat again. Start like screaming and shouting and letting it all out on them. I'll try to videotape it. Even though we've been sitting here for like 2 hours, we still haven't left because they have to clean off the frost. I've got a lot of problems. That happens with Sunwing sometimes.
2,000 years later.
Alright, so we're on the bus right now. We are heading to our hotel. It's still like an hour drive. Carlos, he's up there. He's doing a good job telling us what we need to do.
Jose, our fucking driver, crawling around the country.
We got some huts there, you know. That's for like all the homeless people to live in.
Yeah, mid-flight, mid-descent, we literally went right down. That's all I have to say.
Mid-descent in the thing. Our plane actually like started going down. So
yeah,
that was
and we had a 2-hour delay. That was great.
Yeah, Sunwing, great job.
A few inches later.
Alright, fast forward to today. We just came here. We had some problems with the room. As you can see, we've been sharing the king bed. Like there's a line down the middle. But there's this couch here just in case one of us wants to go over there. And that was kind of the problem. But we just came home. We ate. We had the most disgusting meal that I've ever had. It was literally like when we went to the buffet, it was really good. But when we ordered the room service, my pizza was literally like I asked for a pineapple pizza, and they literally gave me like like a frozen pizza that hadn't even been cooked yet, with just pieces of pineapple on top. So it was just disgusting.